In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off conditional formatting in Excel. What do I mean? I have a data set here that is formatted for values above 50. Those are in color green, as you can see, and for values below 50, they're in color red. So if I don't want this formatting to show, I have a checkbox here, which I can turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, like that. This is what we're going to do in Excel today. So let's see how we can accomplish this objective. So what I'm going to do here is I have my data here. The first thing I'm going to do is add in a checkbox so that I can use that checkbox to toggle in and toggle out, on and off the conditional formatting. So to insert a text box in Excel, I have to go to the developer tab up here. If you do not have the developer tab, right click, customize ribbon, then you'll click it, ensure the developer tab is clicked right here, and then say okay, then it will appear here. So to add the checkbox, I'll go to insert checkbox. Then I'm gonna draw my checkbox here. I'm going to change the name. I'm going to say on stroke off. So I'm going to use this to toggle there. Now I need to assign the value of this checkbox when I click on and off to a cell. So I'm going to right click on the checkbox, and it's that value that we shall be using to control the on and off, because it will be returning true and false. So I right click, go to format control, and I'm going to link it to my cell C1, and then I say okay. Now when I come back and I click on, you see my cell C1 gets populated by true, meaning that is on. If I uncheck the checkbox, it goes to false. So I know it is in C1, and if I do not want to show C1, I can change the color to white. So with that out of the way, let's see how we can format this. We'll go under the Home tab, click on Format. We're going to say greater than 50, and we're going to give it a green color. Say OK. Highlight the same range, Home, conditional formatting. Then we say less than 50, less than 50. Do like so. I need to manage my rules. Format, made a mistake somewhere. This I made it greater than, less than 50, 60. I need to adjust it to 50 and say okay, okay. So all values that are greater than 50 are in green, and all values that are less than 50 are in red. So the next thing is, how do I connect my formatting to what is in here? So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to add another rule that connects to this cell. Remember my value, that's when I toggle here, my value is in C1. If you don't remember, I can bring it back. You see, when I unchecked, it gives false. When I check, it is true. So I'm going to use this to manage my formatting here. So I'll click here, highlight the figures, go back to conditional formatting, go to manage rules. I'm going to apply a new rule, and this time I'm going to use a formula, and my formula is going to be connected to this cell here, and I'm going to say if it is false, take it off. If it's false, I don't want any kind of formatting. Then I say okay. Stop if it is true. So I'm telling it to stop if it is true. This is my format that I've added. If it is true, stop. Do like so. So now, you see when I put off, it goes off. When I click on, it goes on, like so. So if you don't want this, you can change it to color white so that you can put on the formatting, check, uncheck, it goes off like so. So this way, you can control the formatting in your data by using a checkbox. Hope this has been helpful. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.